Gaussin presents world's first hydrogen racing truck for 2022 Dakar Rally in January. Gaussin debuts fuel cell-powered H2 racing truck. It is the company's entry into the market for electric logistic vehicles. French manufacturer Gaussin has unveiled its first electric truck, the H2 racing truck. The fuel cell-powered truck is to demonstrate the performance of Gaussin's announced electric platform on long-distance missions such as the Dakar Rally in January. According to Gaussin, the H2 racing truck will be a technology carrier for further developing its road truck range planned for 2022, based on its new skateboard platform for BEV and FCEV trucks. Gaussin, that enters the electric truck market as a newcomer, expects the architecture to support vehicles from 18 to 44 tons. For the H2 racing truck specs, the four-wheel drive model, approved for road use, combines two 300 kW electric motors with an 82 kWh battery pack and a 380 kW fuel cell. The system also includes a cooling system and tanks able to hold 80 kg of hydrogen. Gaussin quotes a range of around 250 km under racing conditions, meaning at a top speed of 140 km per hour and a refueling time of 20 minutes. The manufacturer says that the lightweight chassis was explicitly created for the performance and integration of the hydrogen system. The latter, it says, has been tested with racing conditions in mind under extreme conditions that go far beyond manufacturers' usual tests for road use. Quote,